Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's Curtis Hyde with Colorado Computer Support. I appreciate hanging out with me for this week's Tuesday Tech Tip as always. And we're going to jump into a trick you may not know about QR codes for this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. Now, QR codes are super quick, easy, convenient things to do. They look like this. And what a QR code is called a quick response code. It allows you to hold your phone up to it and it creates a link that you can jump to. Now, however, you might need a QR code and you might want to take advantage of it, but you don't have time to do it now. It could be a sale at a store, could be multiple things. So what you can actually do is just take a picture of that QR code from your phone, hold it in your phone, then whenever you're ready to use it, go ahead and push your finger into the image, highlight it, and it's going to actually activate that QR code as if you have your live camera up and going to where you can use that link. So QR codes do have that cool capability where you can actually save it for later just by taking a picture of that QR code down the road. Now, another thing just to keep in mind is QR codes have now also become an aspect of ransomware. People are using those to embed ransomware. They can actually attack your cell phone device or whatever you're using. So make sure QR codes across the board, whatever you're aiming at, using, or clicking, are verified for maybe the restaurant, the place of business, the person you know. Just don't use it just to be trigger happy with a QR code to see where it takes you to. Be cautious, be careful, but take a picture of it, save it for later. Might help you out as you're out and about doing things for business around town. As always, I'm Curtis Hyde with Colorado Computer Support. You have any aches, pains, problems, things you want to chat about with your IT inside your business, we'd love to chat with you to see if we're potentially the right fit to help you out. You can reach us at 719-439-0599 or find us on the web at www.coloradosupport.com. Well, have a fantastic rest of your day. I appreciate you hanging out with me. Thank you so much.